Welcome to our channel. How to resolve Virgin Media Hub 3 red light. Turn it off. Unplug it. First step's boring but necessary. Switch it off. Unplug it from the wall. Leave it for like 10 minutes. Let it cool down and reset itself. A surprising number of times, this alone clears the red light. Check for overheating. Touch the hub. If it's warm to the point where it feels like a toaster, yeah, that's the issue. Move it to a spot with better airflow. Don't keep it tucked behind your TV or in a cupboard. Clean around it. Dust is a killer. If there's a layer of dust on top or blocking the vents, grab a cloth or canned air and clear it out. Heat can't escape if it's clogged up. Easy fix. Check the cables. Loose or dodgy cables can trigger faults. Pull everything out, check for frayed or bent connectors, then plug them back in properly. Don't just wiggle them, actually reseat them. Restart your network. Sometimes it's not the hub, it's the network being weird. Restart everything, your modem, your hub, any extenders. Give them a proper power cycle. Let everything come back online clean. Move the hub. Get it away from radiators, sunny windowsills, or anywhere hot. These things get warm enough on their own. Keep it out in the open if you can. Check for service outages. Before you go nuts troubleshooting, check Virgin status page. If your area's down, nothing you do will fix it. Save yourself the hassle and just wait it out. Update the firmware. Sometimes these red lights are just buggy software. Log into your Virgin Media account or app. See if there's a firmware update, and let it install. Might take a bit, but it's worth doing. Factory reset. If you're still stuck, back up your settings and do a factory reset. Press and hold that reset button on the back for 30 seconds. It'll wipe everything and start fresh. I've seen this fix stubborn red light errors. Call Virgin, and if nothing changes, yeah, time to call support. The hub might just be dead or failing, especially if it's a few years old. They'll usually send you a replacement. Thank you for watching.